Welcome to the demo of TestGold's revolutionary product. It uses intent-driven testing and is based on several AI techniques including image processing, NLP, and deep learning. Our product doesn't require any code change and works with current processes and existing platform, so that you can get started in less than 2 minutes. Moreover, benchmarks have shown that we auto-heal over 90% of real test script failure cases. Still not convinced? Let's dive into our demo. The first step is to register on our website at nocode.testgold.dev. You can register with your email or directly with your Gmail account. Once you are logged in, you'll be taken to our UI where you will see a couple of things. First, you'll be given a unique token that is valid for 7 days. You will need to set this token as an environment variable. And secondly, you will be given links to download interceptors in various languages, JavaScript, Python, and Java. Now, let's see how our product helps to heal broken tests in the continuous integration pipeline. Let's go to Jenkins and make a build for the previous version of the website where all tests are working correctly, all XPaths are correct, and here how the previous version of the website looks like. So we can see the demo1.testgold.dev, and it's a typical website with panel, with a help form, and so forth. So let's go and make a build for it. So the build for the previous version of the website is done. Our algorithms have learned the structure of the website. So we can go and check the output for this one. Here we see the token that we used, that we got in the UI at nocode.testgold.dev. We also downloaded the interceptor. And here, again, as mentioned earlier, the test worked correctly as expected, right? So yeah, the build was successful. Now let's assume the structure of the website has changed since the previous build. For example, let's go to demo2.testgold.dev, and it looks similar to the previous version, like demo 1. And here we see that COVID-19 element has been added, and the order of those elements has changed. And also there is a difference. Like in the previous version of the website, we had an element that we could select by text profile. However, in the new version, the text has been changed to profile. So for example, if we try to select this web element by this XPath, it will work on the previous version of the website. However, if we try to use the same XPath on the new version of the website, that should not work. For example, and as we see, it doesn't select the element that we want. Likewise, let's go to the help form and try this XPath. So this XPath should work on the previous version of the website, on demo 1. And as you see, it selects the correct input form. However, it should not work on the new version of the website or the after version. Let's go here. And as you see, it doesn't select the field that we want. Why? Let's see what has changed. And we see that it's no longer input name, it's now text area name, right? So those are just some of the changes that has changed in the layout of the website. Let's now try to do the build for the new version of the website using the same XPath as before. And let's see if our algorithms will be able to heal those. So let's go again to Jenkins and make the build for the after version of the website. So let's do the build. And the build for the after version of the website is done. Let's take a look at the output. And we see some differences comparing to the before version. So we see that our original XPath didn't work, so it required healing, and indeed our algorithms healed it correctly, and we still selected the web element we wanted, although it was renamed from profile to profile. And the second example that we used, it had the XPath input ID email, which didn't work. Oh, sorry, it's here. And why it didn't work? Because it was changed to text area ID name in the after version of the website, but still our algorithms managed to heal the broken XPath. And there are more examples that were healed, and the build was successful, as you see. Finally, let's take a look at a nice visualization for this run on our UI. So we'll go to this link, no-code testgold.dev, interceptor launch, and this hash stands for the current run. And we will see a list of original and healed XPaths along with the screenshots. And let's take a look at the example that we already saw earlier. So in the previous version of the website, we had the web element profile. And in the new version of the website, after changes have been made to the website, this web element has been renamed to profile, and our original XPath no longer worked on the new version of the website. However, our algorithms managed to heal the broken XPath, as it can be evidenced on the right sidebar. And the second example that we looked at dealt with the help form, and similar situation here. In the previous version of the website, we had a web element that had an XPath input ID name. However, in the new version of the website, it has changed to text area ID name, and therefore our original XPath no longer worked on the new version. However, again, our algorithms managed to heal the broken XPath, which resulted in a successful build. Thank you very much for watching this demo. Finally, let's take a look at a nice visualization available on our UI. We'll go to this link where this hash stands for the current run. And here we'll be able to see a nice report of all the original and healed XPaths. We have this carousel view along with screenshots, or we can also get a table view where we see the original XPath and the healed XPath here. So again, coming back to two examples that we looked at earlier, we saw that the original XPath that contained a string profile didn't work on the after version of the website because that web element was changed from profile to profile. However, our algorithms were able to heal that XPath and still select the correct web element. And the second example that we discussed dealt with the original XPath input ID name, which also didn't work on the after version of the website because that web element was changed to text area ID name. And again, our algorithms were able to heal the broken XPath and select the web element that we wanted. So thank you for watching this demo.